welcome back to another daily vlog. How are y'all feeling today? I'm feeling great. Really fresh too. I'm about to upload the vlog, do a bit of work, and make some breakfast, do some other stuff because I have to go get my glasses fixed. So let's go do that. But until then, how was your sleep? I actually don't care, and I can't hear y'all. No, I hope y'all had a good sleep. Welcome back to another daily vlog. Walmart. Yeah, we're going to Walmart. I'm totally excited and not worried. I don't like Walmart. And we get past Halloween first. Okay, this puppy's just adorable. I love that. I need to take a picture of it. I accidentally stopped the recording. But it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And there's a woman. Let's go this way. No, but legit, this puppy's beautiful. That's like... Can't even deny that. So a guy came and fixed the fence. But he, instead of matching the color up with the fence, he put light brown with dark brown. And it looks just ugly now and unorganized. Yeah, I'm tired. I got some schoolwork to do, so let's go do that. I'm about to make some food. About to make some food. This right here. I'm gonna make this chicken breast so we can make a bigger dish. I'll have to show y'all after, but I have to turn 2 hours of cooking into a 1 minute time-lapse video. Or 1 minute and 30 seconds. So hopefully I get to do that. I feel like I'm gonna fail rapidly and I'll make time lapse like 25 minutes. So I guess we'll see when I edit the video. Now we gotta shred that chicken, shed the trick, shed the chicken. Food's done, or at least this part of it. Now my mom has to put the other stuff in it. It's raining. I'm gonna be driving in the rain. Yee.
Never know who you can get connected with.
That sounds very disgusting.
Disgusting?
The thing.
Oh. It just sounds...
No, it does. Be careful. So whilst I was driving the car, my brother's like this completely was effing with me. That's what I would say. I couldn't even drive it right, so we almost crashed. He turned, okay, so all the new cars mostly these days have a camera in the bottom view of the, car. And the screen, that's where the camera is. I was looking down there the entire time just to make sure I'm completely lined up. What does he do? He turns it off. Like, I can barely drive. So, you know, he was a disgrace. I don't know if I'm gonna put that as a blooper or put the whole video in one, but I'm just saying. If you see the clip, I'm going to put the whole clip in one way or another. But if you see the clip, you'll see how messed up he gets. Like, legit. I think that's going to wrap it up for me, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this vlog. Before I end it, I do want to say, my gaming on Friday. It might not be on Friday. Okay, so I have all the files, but the compilation I like, they really take a long time to make. Even for like a 3-minute video, they take like 4 hours. So today, the day I'm uploading this vlog is Thursday. I mean, the day I'm making this vlog is Thursday, but the day I'm uploading it is probably Friday. So if the gaming video is not up tomorrow, today, I'm sure it would probably be up on Saturday. And if it's not up on Saturday, I failed you. Unsubscribe to me. I failed. Please don't unsubscribe to me. Don't unsubscribe to me. That's still my hand option. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this wonderful vlog. I've been the Kid Wonder. Like, subscribe, and remember, stay wondering. Put your seatbelt on. Car doesn't roll until you put your seatbelt on. Ooh, it's so weird having it over here. Car doesn't roll until you put your seatbelt on. We can't roll until you put your seatbelt on. We'll just be here.
Does face me?
Okay.
That's how we getting out the car.
Okay. I'll just be doing it by myself. I've done it before.
No, you haven't.
Actually,
Okay.
put your seatbelt on.
Just put the car. Just drive the car.
I can't until you put your seatbelt on. It's a rule.
Drive the car.
Can't.
Drive the car.
Put your seatbelt on.
No.
Why do I put my seatbelt on?
Fucking drive.
I'm just saying, I have to put my seatbelt on, you
Drive.
should be able to put. No. Ooh, that voice crack. No, I'm not gonna drive until you put your seatbelt on. Come on, dude. I'm gonna tear you. Ooh, I never worked with windshield wipers. You can listen to music, but I can't listen to music. Okay. Reverse.
No. Drive it out, so you have to straighten it out.
It's straightened.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, let me set up my mirrors. Every time. Every time. Alright, we are good. Drive. Sorry. I'm...
You don't need this. Don't look at this.
I kinda do.
No, you don't.
That is dangerous.
Fuck? Yo, you do not need this. Use the rearview mirrors.
Let me.
No.
Why are you so... You know what? If I crash the car, it's because of you.
What are you doing?
I am trying to drive, but you turned off my...
You don't need this shit. God damn.
You know, I can't put that in my vlog anymore. You started cursing.
Slow down.
I got it. I got it.
You don't. You're straight now already. You're straight. Make sure. Whoa.
What?
Make sure you're not hitting this side.
I know. We should be good. I'll go slow because, yeah, we've complaining. I know how to drive.
Slow down. Slow down.
I know how to drive. Well, actually, I can't drive like... I need that.
No, the fuck you don't. Back up. Slowly. Are you straight?
You know what? How do I... You're a disgrace.